Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to publish your website so it's live on the internet. Publishing your site lets visitors access your content, products, or portfolio online. We will walk you through each step to get your website live. Let's get started. For this example, we already have a website built on WordPress, so we will use that to show you how it works. We go to Google and search for WordPress, then we open the results and click on wordpress.com. On this site, we can create and publish websites. We can also buy a domain here. We will publish our site from here. Go ahead and click to get started. We are now creating an account. Just sign up and choose to create a new website. Here, we can search for a domain name. Type in what you want your domain to be, and it will show you available options. The next step is to choose and buy a domain. You can add one to your cart and pick the plan that fits your budget. Since we are going with the free option, we will continue with that. Once you have your domain, just click to continue with the free plan. As you can see, it now takes you to your website dashboard. Now it's time to edit your website. In the website editor, you can pick a template to start with. You can select a template and activate it. You can also buy one if you prefer. Once you have your template, just click on it and start customizing. You can update the buttons, headers, and footers to match your needs. Here, we can make all the changes we want. Just add your ideas, text, and images to the page. You can also add your product details and any other information you need. When you are done, just click Save. You can also switch to a top view and zoom out to see the full layout. Once we have the domain set up, the website edited, and all the details added, we go to our hosting settings. From here, we can now launch the site. And that's it. We have successfully published the website. It is now live and ready for visitors to explore.